Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Encang-encingnya babeh, balik lagi sama saya Ojan dari Putra Betawi Fishing. Nah, apa kabar kalian semua? Semoga kita selalu diberikan kesehatan. Nah, hari ini saya main di pemancingan Adhiraja Deluna. Hari ini main tiket 500.000 komplit 2 joran. Hari ini saya bareng sama saudara saya, sama om saya. Nah, media umpan tetap kita nggak berubah, kita tetap pakai media umpan babeh sama esen durian mix. Kita coba di sini, semoga hasilnya bagus. Oke, kita langsung lock aja. Oke guys, umpan udah jadi, tinggal kasih krotonya belum datang nih, lagi dibawa tadi sama saudara saya. Nah, nanti itu kan umpan saya bagi dua, yang esen dikasih kroto, yang polos dikasih kroto. Kenapa saya bagi dua, yang satu esen yang satu polos? Nanti kita jelasin, bukan masalah nggak beda sama esennya. Nanti kita dijelasin di kampus mancing kenapa saya selalu satu polos satu esen gitu. Oke, tinggal kasih kroto aja seikhlasnya. Kenapa saya bilang seikhlasnya? Karena saya tahu kroto mahal, tapi saran saya lebih banyak lebih bagus, itu aja. Oke, tinggal kita bayar tiket pengocokan lapak. Semoga kita dapat lapak yang dominan, ikannya juga makanin. Pokoknya ikutin terus, jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Belum. Lemon 54.
Putra Betawi YC Mayor Petra.
Putra Betawi berapa nih? 5.
Lapak 5.
Halo, jangan lupa di like, comment, and subscribe di channelnya Putra Betawi Fishing.
one, and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
Bangsat kau.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 ekor bos. 19.
Oke Cang, alhamdulillah mancing hari ini udah selesai. Tadi kita dapat sebenarnya 21 ekor, lepas dari koram 2 ekor, jadi tinggal 19 ekor. Induknya tadi kena sisik-sisik doang, dia belum milik. Tadi kita bukain nomor 2 semua kecil, jadi sama-sama nabrak agak susah. Oke, pokoknya ikutin terus keseruan mancing sampai bisik selanjutnya. Pokoknya jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Yang mau pesan umpan babeh sama esan babeh bisa langsung ke link deskripsi. Salam hangat dari peternak bisik, Evan Fishing.
Dari 18 atas nama Ulu-Ulu.